Okay, students, now we are going to write our classwork, geography classwork. Take your geography classwork. Students, already we have written 3 lessons in geography, right? So, we wrote only 2 marks, right? Now we are going to write keywords and mind map. Are you ready, children? Take your geography note. Take after the third lesson, write lesson 1 keywords. First one, planet. 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 First one, planet. 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 Leave one line. Second one, star. 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 Second one, star. Star. Next, leave one line. Third one, solar. 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 Third one, solar. 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 Then leave one line. Fourth one, Jupiter. 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 Then leave one line. Fifth one, directions. Direction. Direction. What is that? Direction. 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 Then leave one line. Sixth one, Neptune. 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 Sixth one, Neptune. 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 Then leave one line. Seventh one, temperature. 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 Eighth one, indicate. 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 Eighth one, indicate. 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 Then leave one line. Ninth one, geoid. 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 Ninth one, geoid. 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 Then leave one line. Tenth one, asteroids. Asteri. Okay, students, now we are going to write our classwork, geography classwork. Take your geography classwork. Students, already we have written 3 lessons in geography, right? So, we wrote only 2 marks, right? Now we are going to write keywords and mind map. Are you ready, children? Take your geography note. Take after the third lesson, write lesson 1 keywords. First one, planet. 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 First one, planet. 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 Leave one line. Second one, star. 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 Second one, star. 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 Next, leave one line. Third one, solar. 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 Third one, solar. 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 Then leave one line. Fourth one, Jupiter. 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 Then leave one line. Fifth one, directions. Direction. Direction. What is that? Direction. 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 Then leave one line. Sixth one. Next, sixth one, students, you have space in right side, right? So you can draw one line, then write the sixth one in right side near to the first one. Sixth one, Neptune. 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 Sixth one, Neptune. 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 Seventh one, temperature. 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 Then eighth one, indicate. 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 Then leave one line. Near to fourth one, geoid. Ninth one, geoid. 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 Then leave one line. Then tenth one, asteroids. 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 First one, planet. Second one, star. Third one, solar. Fourth one, Jupiter. Fifth one, direction. Then right side, sixth one, Neptune. Seventh one, temperature. Eighth one, indicate. Ninth one, geoid. Tenth one, asteroids. Okay, students, after completing this Roman, you draw one line. Okay, students, after the Roman keywords, next Roman, draw a mind map. See, students, already you have written lesson 1, the earth in the solar system, at the top of that page, right? So you no need to write lesson 1 now. You just draw a map, mind map for planets in our solar system. Answer 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. What are the 8 planets in our solar system? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Students, you can use color, make it colorful, write neatly, and it should be very attractive. Okay, students? Then go to next page. Okay students, now you take one new page. That means after that first lesson keyword and mind map, take new page. Lesson 2, globe, latitudes and longitudes. You should write the topic. Here I didn't write, but you should write the lesson name. Keywords, first one, heat zones. For this lesson also you can split that page. Five keywords right side, 5 keywords left side. First one, heat zones, HEAT, heat, ZONES, zones, heat zones. Second one, Tropic of Cancer, TROPIC of CANCER, Tropic of Cancer. What is the second one? TROPIC, Tropic of Cancer, 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 Tropic of Cancer. Third one, maximum, MAXIMUM, maximum. Third one, maximum, MAXIMUM, maximum. Fourth one, temperature, TEMPERATURA, temperature. Fourth one, temperature, TEMPERATURA, temperature. Fifth one, equator, EQUATOR, equator. Fifth one, equator, EQUATOR, equator. You have splitted that page, no? So right side you put 6. Sixth one, parallel, PARALLEL, parallel. Sixth one, parallel, PARALLEL, parallel. Then leave one line. Seventh one, Tropic of Capricorn, TROPIC, Tropic of Capricorn, CAPRICORN, Tropic of Capricorn. Then leave one line. Eighth one, longitude, LONGITUDE, longitude. Then leave one line. Ninth one, intersect, 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 intersect. Ninth one, intersect. Then leave one line. Tenth one, meridians, MERIDIANS, meridians. What is the 10th one? Meridians, MERIDIANS, meridians. First one, heat zones. Second one, Tropic of Cancer. Third one, maximum. Fourth one, temperature. Fifth one, equator. Sixth one, parallel. Seventh one, Tropic of Capricorn. Eighth one, longitude. Ninth one, intersect. 10th one, meridians. Then you leave one line. Next Roman, draw a mind map for heat zones of the earth. Draw a mind map for heat zones of the earth. You should use colors. Okay. Heat zones. There are 3 types of heat zones, right? Torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. What are the 3 types of heat zones? Torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. Then go to next page. Next, lesson 3, motions of the earth. Keywords, first one, rotation, ROTATION, rotation. First one, rotation, ROTATION, rotation. Leave one line. Second one, revolution, REVOLUTION, revolution. Second one, revolution, REVOLUTION, revolution. Then leave one line. Third one, orbital plane, ORBITAL, orbital plane, 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 orbital plane. Then leave one line. Fourth one, circle of illumination, CIRCLE, circle of illumination, 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 circle of illumination. Then leave one line. Fifth one, leap year, LEAP, leap, YEAR, year, leap year. Then draw one line. Side, right side. Sixth one, elliptical orbit, ELLIPTICAL, elliptical orbit, ORBIT, orbit. Sixth one, elliptical orbit. Seventh one, summer solstice, SUMMER, summer, SOLSTICE, summer solstice. Then eighth one, winter solstice, WINTER, winter, SOLSTICE, solstice, winter solstice. The ninth one, equinox. 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 Ninth one, equinox. 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 Then leave one line. Tenth one, equator. 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 Tenth one, equator. 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 Then leave one line, children. We will go to mind map. Next Roman, draw a mind map for the types of motions. What are the types of motions? There are two types of motions. One is rotation, another one is revolution. So write motions of the earth. Rotation, revolution. You can draw in any shape, children. Make it colorful. Okay students, geography class work over. Now we are going to learn history map work, lesson 1 map work. See in that page we have river map, right? So we are going to see some 10 rivers in this map. It will help you for your exam. Okay students? First one Indus, second Satluj, third one Ganga, fourth one Yamuna, fifth one Narmada, sixth one Tapti, seventh one Godavari, eighth one Krishna, ninth one Kaveri, 10th one Mahanadi. Are you ready to see these rivers in a map? Okay, we can go now. Okay students, this is the map. This is river map in history lesson 1, page number 2. So take your history book, page number 2. First river Indus. First one Indus. Second one Satluj. Third one Ganga. Fourth one Yamuna. Fifth one Narmada. Here. Sixth one Tapti. Here. Seventh one Godavari. Downside. Then eighth one Krishna. Ninth one Kaveri. 10th one Mahanadi. So Indus, Satluj, Ganga, Yamuna, Narmada, Tapti, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri and Mahanadi. Students, you have to mark these 10 rivers in your map, in your India river map. Keep it in your file. Okay students? Okay students, today I gave 2 videos, right? One for teaching geography lesson 4 maps. Then this video for classwork writing and then map work, right? Classwork you should write geography 1, 2, 3 lesson, keywords and mind map. You take one page for one lesson, keywords and mind map, and then go for next page for lesson 2 and then go for next page for lesson 3. So after completing this 3 lesson, you take one India river map, write the 10 places, 10 rivers in that river map. Okay students, keep it in your file, read well. Okay, this map will be asking for exam.